Good everyone, welcome back. It is your favorite tutor, and today is your favorite tutor on physics. Okay, continuation from where we stopped under elastic properties of solid. Today we are solving another question. Okay, let's go. A spiral spring has a length of 14 centimeter when a force of 4 Newton is hung on it. A force of 6 Newton stretches it by 4 centimeter. Calculate the unstretched length of the spring. So right here, what are we looking for? We are looking for what? Unstretched length of the spring. A spiral spring is also what? An elastic material. Since we are looking for unstretched length of the spring, it means that we are looking for what? The original length, which is what? L1. Original length of the what? Spring. That is what we are looking for, L1. All right, let us expatiate this a little bit. If, for example, this is the spiral spring, something like this, okay. All right, from here to here, it has a what? A length of what? We don't know the length, so we call it what? L1, original what? Length of, that is what we are looking for. Then when 4 Newton force or load was hung on this what? This spring. 4 Newton. So the spring is going to go down due to the force of what? 4 Newton. We have a what? A length of what? 14 centimeter. He gave us a length. So we call this one length 2. Length of what? 14 centimeter. Okay. He says right here, a force of 6 Newton stretches it by 4 centimeter. A force of 6 Newton. So when we hit 6 Newton force, so force, give 6 Newton force, we have a what? An extension. An extension of what? 4 centimeter. Okay, right here, we have an extension of what? 4 what? Centimeter. Okay. So right here, a force of what? 4 Newton was hung on this what? Spring. It gave us what? Another length. But before that, we have an extension that we don't know about. A force of what? 4 Newton will create an extension, and we have a what? A new length, length 2. So right here, this is force 1, extension 1, force 2, extension what? 2. And then we are looking for what? The original length, the unstretched part of the word string, the original word length. Now for us to get L1, to get L1, we need to subtract L2 from what? L2 minus what? We need to subtract extension 1 from what? L2 minus what? Extension 1. Because from here, from this place to this place is what? Length 2. While from here to here is what? Extension 1. Extension 1 was added to what? Length 1 to give us what? L2. So for we to get what? Length 1 from here to here, we need to subtract this extension, this part, this last line, we need to remove it from what? Length 2, and then we get what? Length 1. From here to here is what? Length 1. From here to here is what? Extension 1. So if we subtract this place from length 2, we get what? Length 1. So our major aim right here is to get what? Extension 1. We already have what? Length 2 from the question. We need to get what? Extension what? 1. Okay. Following the equation F1 over what? E1 equals to what? F2 over what? E2. So therefore, we are looking for what? E1. E1 will be equals to what? F1 times what? E2 all over what? F2. So therefore, extension 1 is equals to, what is F1? F1 is what? 4 times what? E2. E2 is what? 4 all over what? F2, which is what? 6. All right, this is going to give us 2.67 what? Centimeter. 2.67 what? Centimeter. So we have the words E1. Since we have E1, we know that the original length is therefore equals to L2 minus what? E1. So therefore, original length is equals to, what is L2? L2 is what? 14 centimeter minus what? E1, which is what? 2.67. So the unstretched, so L1 is what? 11.33 what? Centimeter. So therefore, the unstretched part, the unstretched length is equals to what? 11.33 what? Centimeter. This is the answer to the question. All right, ladies and gentlemen, finally come to the end of this episode. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and remain your favorite tutor. God bless you.